All right, I'll start you off on number 17. It says find the perimeter of a regular hexagon that has an area of 54 radical 3 units. So I'm going to draw a regular hexagon that's 6 sides. You really should have the angles already from number 16, but I'll go over those angles again. All right, so a regular hexagon, that's going to be 6 sides. I'm going to draw it as best I can and try to make them all the same. All right, so we can easily find the measure of each interior angle. All right, so each angle, or should I say each interior angle, as we've been doing, that's going to be n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. All right, and for a hexagon, n equals 6. So we're looking at 6 minus 2 times 180 and divided by n, which is 6. We'll do this on the calculator. And I get 120 degrees. All right, so I am going to draw in, going to draw in an apothem right there and make it perpendicular to the side. Okay, that's my apothem A. We said each, so this is the apothem, each interior angle is 120. Okay, when you draw a radius, it bisects that angle or cuts it in half. So this one here is going to be the same as that one there. 120 divided by 2 is just 60. If this is 90 and this is 60, then this one here is going to be 30. All right. Now they said the area is 54 radical 3 units. We don't have any side lengths, but we do have the area. What we can do is write out the relationship between the apothem and the side lengths. All right. So we can call any side x, but I would rather call the short side x. Okay. So I'll go across from 30 and I'm going to call this part just from here to here, that's going to be x. All right. And we know the formula for 30, 60, 90. The long side equals the short times radical 3. All right. So that's going to equal the short side, which is x, times radical 3. So that's my long side. The long side is the one across from 60. And that's my apothem A. So A is going to equal x radical 3. All right. And we don't need the radius, so we're good there. Now, you see, the reason I called the one across from 30 equal to x is because once you have the short side, you're multiplying from there. If I called the long side x, this would have to be x divided by radical 3. That's a pain in the neck, so I don't want to do that. Now, remember, this apothem bisects the side, so this is congruent to that. So if this is x, this is also x, and the entire side is just going to be x plus x. So each side, x plus x, is going to equal 2x. All right. And once you have that, you can easily find the perimeter. Okay, if each side is 2x, and there's 6 sides, the perimeter is just going to be 2x times 6. And that's going to be 12x. So that's your perimeter. And now we can solve the equation. Okay, it says the area is 54 radical 3. So what we can do is, if I have enough room, I'll do it right here. They said the area is 54 radical 3. All right, we know that for a regular polygon, the area is 1/2 apothem times perimeter. The area is in place of A, so that's going to be 54 radical 3. And that's going to equal 1/2 times the apothem, which is x radical 3. And the perimeter is 12x. All right, so you should be able to solve it from there. I would suggest you divide both sides by radical 3, get rid of that. You're going to have x squared equals something. You take the square root, that gives you x. And then you plug in x right there for the perimeter, 12x, and that's what they asked you for, the perimeter.